This is Marcello George Kenneth Ferguson, first time eating food. Today we're eating carrots. Because we want to start with veggies first, don't we? That's what Mommy wants at least. We'll see how it goes. Ready? Open. 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 That was not a very happy look. Oh, no, you're supposed to eat that. Oh. Let me try a little more water. There we go. Ready? Good boy. Try a little more. Ready? Not eat the bib. Try the food. Open. Not that impressed, eh? Ready? Here it goes. How do you think? Not impressed, eh? Let's try a little more, and then we'll be done. Open, Marcello. Hello, open. Oh. You stinker, you closed your mouth. Let's try with the water. Ready? You're not so sure about that, are ya? Let's try mostly water. Ready? No, you're not gonna open now, huh? Open. The phone's ringing. Hold on. Let's try again. Ready? It's yummy. Mommy will eat it. Alright. I don't think you like carrots. Alright. Not a successful first try, eh? Good try though.